so any guess what is there inside this packet? So basically this product can fit any series of bike. कोई भी बाइक में फिट हो जाएगा. This is a paddock stand. सबसे बड़ा एडवांटेज नजर आ रहा है कि ये कैसे पैक हो सकता है. I mean, this can be dismantled. Well, the biggest advantage with this particular paddock stand is that it has support for 2 mounts. If you see, so these are one set of stuff, and the rubber bushes, that is the second set of stuff. I have also seen a lot of other paddock stands, but I have never seen such a good quality wheel. There is very less effort that you have to put to lift the bike on the paddock stand.